Are using Visual Studio 2026 to do the workshops in OOP244, you might face some problems with error messages that they are not supposed to appear. The reason is that Visual Studio 2026's default for the platform is C++20, and the standard that we are following for OOP244 is C++14, and that may cause problem. To fix the problem, do the following. If you are starting from the lab files that we have, for example, Visual Studio 1, and I'm going to open this with Visual Studio 2026. When you open it, you're going to see the following message coming up. If this is what happens, select the drop-down list, and on the selection that it gives you, set to retarget to platform tools V145, and then click on that one, click on apply. To make sure that everything after retargeting is finished, it's retargeting right now and one completed, right click on the lab, click on properties, make sure that the language standards is set on C++14, or you can select the drop down list, go on ISO C++14 standard. This is the one. Any of these you choose, and then click on apply, and then everything is going to be